Welcome to Eating for Longevity, the Blue Zone Way. Today, we're delving into the dietary secrets of the world's blue zones, areas where people live notably longer than average. Our journey will unveil the key elements of these diets and how you can incorporate them for a healthier, longer life. Let's explore the power of food in enhancing longevity. Blue zones are regions identified for their higher-than-average life expectancies. There are 5 blue zone areas in the world. These include Loma Linda, California, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Sardinia, Italy, Icaria, Greece, and Okinawa, Japan. The longevity of these populations is attributed to genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors, especially their diets. Predominantly plant-based, these diets are rich in whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes, with minimal meat consumption. Eating habits in these zones also emphasize the importance of community and enjoying meals together. The Okinawa diet. Let's start with the Okinawa diet, known for its high vegetable and soy product intake. Okinawans favor foods like sweet potatoes, rich in antioxidants, and soy-based products like tofu. Their diet is low in calories yet nutrient-dense, promoting heart health and longevity. Key elements include various colorful vegetables and a moderate intake of fish, providing essential omega-3 fatty acids. The Okinawa diet exemplifies a balance between nutrient-rich foods and low-calorie intake. The Mediterranean influence of Sardinia and Icaria. In Sardinia and Icaria, the Mediterranean diet reigns, featuring whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and olive oil. Seafood, particularly fish, is a staple, offering omega-3 fatty acids crucial for heart health. These diets highlight the importance of consuming a variety of plant-based foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins. The inclusion of red wine in moderation, particularly in Sardinia, also contributes to their longevity through its antioxidant properties. The Nicoyan and Loma Linda approaches. In Nicoya, the diet is rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, and corn, providing essential proteins and fiber. Loma Linda's Seventh-day Adventist community primarily follows a vegetarian diet, focusing on nuts, grains, and legumes. The Nicoya and Loma Linda diets emphasize whole, unprocessed foods with a significant reduction in meat consumption. The high intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals contributes to reduced risks of chronic diseases and supports overall health. Our exploration of the blue zones reveals a common theme: a plant-based diet rich in whole foods, combined with an active lifestyle and strong community bonds, is key to longevity. Incorporating elements from these diets into our daily lives can lead to significant health benefits. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the dietary secrets of the blue zones. Embrace these eating habits for a journey towards a healthier, longer life. Stay nourished and connected for a long and fulfilling life. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.